Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to download all photos and files from OneDrive at once, the easiest way. Whether you're backing up important memories, moving to a new computer, or just want offline access to everything, this tutorial will walk you through the easiest ways to do it step by step. I'll show you two reliable methods. The first method downloads everything directly to your computer using the OneDrive desktop app, which is perfect if you want your files constantly synced. The second method lets you grab everything at once from the OneDrive website as a single download package. Both methods are beginner-friendly, so don't worry if you're not super technical. Let's jump right in. We'll start with the desktop app method since it's one of the easiest and most useful options for long-term access to your files. First, look down at the bottom right corner of your screen near the clock. You should see the OneDrive cloud icon. Depending on your setup, it may appear white or blue. If you don't see the icon immediately, click the small upward arrow to show hidden icons because OneDrive often hides there in the background. Once you find the cloud icon, click on it. A small menu will pop up. From there, click the gear icon labeled Settings. Another settings window will appear. Inside this window, look for the Sync and Backup section and click on it. Now scroll down until you see something called Advanced Settings. Sometimes this section is collapsed, so you may need to click a small arrow to expand it. Under Files on Demand, you'll see an option called Download All Files. This is the important part. Normally, OneDrive only downloads files when you open them to save storage space, but by selecting Download All Files, you're telling OneDrive to store every file locally on your computer. Go ahead and click it, then confirm by pressing Continue. At this point, OneDrive will begin downloading all your files and folders to your PC. Depending on how much data you have stored, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. You'll notice small status icons next to your files during the process. Once you see green check marks, that means the files are fully downloaded and available offline. Now let's move on to the second method, which is great if you simply want one big backup download. Open your favorite web browser and go to the OneDrive website. Sign in with your Microsoft account like you normally would. Once you're logged in, click on My Files. Now, here's a little shortcut that saves a lot of time. To select everything quickly, either click the small checkbox at the top left corner of the file list or press Ctrl-A on your keyboard. This instantly selects all your files and folders. Next, look at the top menu bar and click on Download. OneDrive will now begin packaging all your files into a single zip file. This is really convenient because instead of downloading hundreds of files individually, you only have to manage one file. After the zip file finishes preparing, it'll automatically download through your browser. Now, there are a couple of important things to keep in mind before you start large downloads. First, make sure your computer has enough free storage space available. Photos, videos, and years of documents can take up a surprising amount of space. Second, if your internet connection is slow, large downloads may take quite a while, so don't panic if progress seems slow at first. And here's one extra tip. If you use OneDrive Personal Vault, those files are protected separately for security reasons. You'll need to unlock the vault manually before downloading those files from the website. Other than that, the process is pretty straightforward. And that's it. You now know two simple ways to download all your OneDrive files and photos at once. Hopefully this tutorial made the process much easier and helped you safely back up your files or move them to another device. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like because it really supports the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials. If you run into any problems or have questions about OneDrive, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.